Your checked luggage will be safe with these tips. Traveling should be exciting, not stressful. Are you worried about your checked luggage getting lost, delayed, or damaged? Don't let baggage woes ruin your trip. We've got you covered with essential tips to keep your luggage safe and sound. Your luggage is your first line of defense. Selecting the right bag can make all the difference. Let's dive into what to look for. Opt for luggage made from durable materials. Ballistic nylon and polycarbonate are excellent choices. These materials can withstand the rough handling of airport baggage systems. Check for sturdy zippers and reinforced seams. These are common points of failure under stress. Make sure they are built to last. Avoid overpacking your luggage. Overstuffed bags are more likely to burst open or get damaged. Leave some breathing room. Identification is key to reuniting with your bag if it gets lost. Make it easy for airlines to find you. Let's explore how. Attach sturdy luggage tags with your name, address, email, and phone number. Make sure the information is clear and legible. Use a waterproof tag if possible. Place a copy of your contact information inside the bag as well. This provides a backup if the exterior tag is lost or damaged. Redundancy is your friend. Remove old baggage tags from previous trips. This avoids confusion and ensures your bag is routed correctly. A clean slate is a happy slate. Protecting your belongings inside your luggage is just as important. Secure your items to prevent damage and loss. Here's how. Use TSA-approved locks on your luggage. These locks allow TSA agents to open your bag for inspection without damaging it. Peace of mind is priceless. Wrap fragile items with bubble wrap or clothing. This provides extra cushioning and protection during transit. Handle with care, even when it's not in your hands. Avoid packing valuables in your checked luggage. Keep jewelry, electronics, and important documents in your carry-on bag. Keep them close and secure. A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially when it comes to lost luggage. Document your bag and its contents. Let's see why. Take a photo of your luggage before you check it in. This will help you identify it if it gets lost or delayed. Visual aids are incredibly helpful. Take a photo of the contents of your luggage. This can be helpful for insurance claims if your bag is lost or damaged. Proof is essential for claims. The fewer connections, the better. Direct flights reduce the risk of luggage mishaps. Let's understand why. Direct flights reduce the chances of your luggage being misdirected during transfers. Less handling means less opportunity for error. Simplicity is key. Each connection increases the risk of your luggage getting lost or delayed. Choose direct routes whenever possible. Streamline your journey. Rushing through the airport is never a good idea. Arriving early gives the airline more time to handle your luggage properly. Let's explore the benefits. Arriving early gives the airline more time to handle your luggage properly. This reduces the chance of errors and delays. Time is on your side. Rushing can lead to mistakes. Give yourself and the airline ample time to ensure a smooth baggage handling process. Avoid the last-minute scramble. Stay informed about your luggage's journey. Most airlines offer tracking options. Let's see how to use them. Most airlines have apps that allow you to track your luggage in real time. Use these apps to monitor your bag's progress. Knowledge is power. Tracking your luggage can provide peace of mind and help you anticipate any potential issues. Stay one step ahead. Delays happen. Be prepared by packing essential items in your carry-on. Let's explore what to include. Pack essential items like medication, toiletries, and a change of clothes in your carry-on bag. This will help you manage if your luggage is delayed. Be self-sufficient. Familiarize yourself with the airline's policy for lost or delayed luggage. Know your rights and what to expect. Preparation is key. If your luggage is lost or delayed, act quickly. File a claim with the airline immediately. Let's understand why. If your luggage is lost or delayed, file a claim with the airline immediately. The sooner you report it, the better. Time is of the essence. Keep copies of your baggage claim tag and any other relevant documentation. This will be essential for processing your claim. Documentation is crucial. Beyond the basics, consider these additional tips for added security and peace of mind. These steps can further protect your belongings. Consider purchasing travel insurance that covers lost or delayed luggage. This can provide financial compensation for any losses. Insurance offers a safety net. Use a brightly colored luggage strap or cover to make your bag easily identifiable. This can help prevent someone from accidentally taking your bag. Stand out from the crowd. If you're traveling with expensive items, consider declaring them to the airline. This may provide additional protection in case of loss or damage. Transparency is important. Before leaving the baggage claim area, double-check that you have the correct bag. Compare the tag number to your claim check. Verification is essential. If you notice any damage to your luggage upon arrival, report it to the airline immediately. Don't delay in filing a damage claim. Prompt action is necessary. Consider using a GPS tracker in your luggage. This can help you locate your bag if it gets lost. Technology can be your ally. Avoid packing items that are prohibited by the airline or customs regulations. This can lead to delays or confiscation of your belongings. Know the rules. If you're traveling with fragile items, consider shipping them separately. This can provide better protection than checking them as luggage. Specialized handling is beneficial. Keep a list of the items you packed in your luggage. This can be helpful for insurance claims if your bag is lost or damaged. Organization is key. Be patient and understanding with airline staff. They are doing their best to assist you in a stressful situation. Kindness goes a long way. By following these tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of problems with your checked luggage. Enjoy a more stress-free and enjoyable travel experience. Don't let baggage worries hold you back from exploring the world. Ready to travel with confidence? Subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your fellow travelers. Leave a comment below and tell us your best luggage safety tip. Happy travels!